this video, I am going to show you how to import your snapshot for Go High Level. So, like I've said previously on my live streams and other places, this is built on top of Go High Level. So you need to have Go High Level in order to run this. You cannot run it on a white label. So if you have a white labeled version of Go High Level, it will not work. You need to have actual Go High Level. Now you're going to get a link, and let's go to the screen share. You're going to get a link that looks like this. It's going to be like affiliates.gohighlevel.com with Rising Star Investment and then some codes. Okay, so you're going to just go like that and open the link. Now, better yet, let me go into an entire new instance, and I'm going to show you from scratch. So we're going to go into marketing. Boom. Okay, so you're going to show up to a screen like this. All right. So we're going to create an account. Whoops. And the account is going to be, let's see, what's a random email that I have? deals@dealswithnate.com. Okay. I don't know if I got that password right. Cool. And you're going to start your 14-day free trial, just like that. You only need the single location account. You only need the single location account. Do not get this account because you do not need it. You literally do not need it. Don't waste your time. Deals with Nate. Full name, Nathan Harris. Phone number.
I
don't know why it's coming through like that. 813-437-1709. That is super weird. And then you are going to put in your card information. After you get through that questionnaire setup thing, you're going to be greeted with a screen just like this that says, do you want to import this snapshot to this account? And you're going to click yes. And if for some reason you don't get this screen, it's very simple. You're just going to put the link in one more time, and you will be greeted with this screen. Okay? You're just going to click yes, import now. Cool. Now, you're going to see you have agency dashboard, prospecting, sub accounts, account snapshots. I want you to go into account snapshots and go into imported snapshots. And you'll have the CRM right here, the snapshot. AI Wholesale CRM, have AI Wholesale for you. What you're going to do is you're going to click create new account. Okay? So let me show you one more time a little bit slowly. This little blue button right here, create new account. You're going to click that little blue button. Oops. And then you are going to be greeted with this page right here. Now on the search bar, just to the right of the search bar, you're going to see add account manually. Okay? And just give it a second. There we go. And then you're going to put in your information. So for example, Nathan Harris, Nathan at risingstarinvestment.com. Business name, Rising Star Investment LLC. 30 North Gower Street. Sheridan, country, US. Now guys, it's really important that you spell all of this stuff correctly, because if you don't spell it correctly, then what's going to happen is you're probably going to get denied for A2P. So make sure you spell it correctly. If you just type M, you can see we're looking for marketing. M-A-R. Marketing agency. So you're just going to put it as marketing agency. So under business niche, just type M and then look for marketing agency. Just put it under marketing agency, okay? And then continue. Don't put my information in. Put your information in. So you're gonna put your first name, last name, email, your business name, your business address, and then let's see, 82801, phone number, website. If you have a website, great. If you don't have a website, you can leave it blank. And I am EST, so I'm going to pick my time zone. Here we go. Save. Cool. Now that I'm in, I'm going to click switch to sub account. Okay, and what I want you to do immediately after that is click automation. And I want you to check to make sure that all your automations are here. And if they're here, congratulations, you did it right. If they're not here, then you did not do it right. And you need to watch the video one more time and do it again.